Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, so dito kami ngayon dalawa ni Jim sa may Antique San Jose guys. So ayan guys, nandito kami sa hotel guys kasi katapos lang na namin mag-work. So maaga kaming uwi guys, nagluto-luto si James guys. Ayan po yung luto-luto ni James guys. So siya ay ano yan James? Ha? Karning baboy? Oo, nagluto-luto siya guys. Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng hotel guys kasi pwede magluto dito guys kasi nga ayan po. Pwede magkuhan dito guys. Magluto. Anong gagawin mo dyan? Iba malaki si yung kuhan. Nakita rin sa video.
Ano ba yun?
Yung parang giprito niya. Maliit lagi yun. Giprito ba yun? Ilagay mo tubig? Ayan si James guys. Ayan po. So dito kami ngayon sa hotel guys. Ayan po si car. So parang ulan James. So ito yung chinek-inan namin guys. Ayan po si Ross and Travelers. Ayan guys. So yan yung entrance niya guys. Ayan pagpasok mo. Ayan na po siya. Ayun. Si Ross and Travelers. Ayan po. So ayan guys. Parang umuulan James. So gumagawa ko ng report guys. So ayan. Abangan natin yung loto ni James. Anong loto yan? Anong loto yan? Magkano kilo sa akin eh? Ha? Pag sure ba? Ang mahal ba sa baboy? So titingnan natin, abang-abangan natin mamaya guys kung anong luto to. Sa kanya kasi gikuha niya man yun James. Parang di ba ganon tapos bago siya giprito. Giprito man to, gibawang. Nakita mo yung i-send ko sa iyo sa video? Ano yan, adobo o prito? Prito ba yan? Ito lang mantika. Ay pa mantika mo na.
Di ba wala naman mantika nilagay doon?
Wala yun. Oo. Pero nilagyan niya ata yun. Di pa mantika pala yun. Ano biniling bala sa butane? Ayan guys. So, ayan po si Jim's Shop. So, magaling ka talaga magluto. Malit na to sa kanya. Malit lang kasi yung kanya, yung karne niya, gikatad-tad ng malit, di ba? 1 kilo yan?
Hindi.
Ha? Sure.
Lang to.
Right. Dapat di pa humok mo. Tapos, anong gagawin dyan?
Hindi naman yung pinulito.
So yun guys, abangan natin mamaya guys kung ano yung result sa loto ni James Aguilon. So ayun, abangan natin maya. Ayan guys, ito na po yung loto ni James Aguilon. Ayan po. Ano hinahanap po? Ayan po guys, yung loto niya. Ayan, ito na yung result ng adobo niya guys. Ayan po, makikita mo. Ayan guys, kumuha pa siya ng mangga guys kasi kagabi pa kasi siya na parang naglilihi ata to guys. Kagabi pa to, galit na galit siya dahil sa mangga na hindi niya mako. Di ba luto na, di ba? So ayan guys, hindi ko alam kung tama ba tong luto niya guys. Tikim tayo guys kung masarap ba. Yan guys, tikman ko guys ha. Ha? Ayun guys. Masarap naman pala. Ayun guys. Nagluto-luto siya guys. Ayan po. Ngayon yun, nagbabalat naman siya ng mangga guys. Ayan po yung mangga binabalat niya guys. Ayan po. Naluto na, di ba?
Ito masarap kainin eh.
Kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo di. Di ba luto na? Ayan, masarap kasi maluto yan. Yan pwede kuhan. Ayan po. Kagabi pa kasi siya nagagalit guys kasi hindi ko siya bibigyan ng mangga. Ngayon natupad na rin. Talagyan niya pa ng ginamos po tragis. Patay na yan? So ayan guys. So ayan yung luto niya guys. Yun itong result niya ng adobo niya guys. Oo. Ano na? Prito? Prito ba yan? So ayan yung prito niya guys. Di ko alam kung mamaya titikman natin guys. Try natin. Kasi umulan na guys. Ayan na po. Gabi na. So ayan guys, thank you for watching sa nanonood sa video. Yan po yung luto ni James Aguilon. So abangan nyo mamaya guys, kakain na kami guys. So ayan guys, so let's eat na. Kakain na kami guys. So kasi nga, ayan guys, naglutong bahay kami sa sobrang sawa guys. Ayan, kakain na kami guys. Ayan si James. Ayan na guys, na-ready na yung ginamos niya. So ang ulam namin guys, adobo, prito, tapos mangga, bulad at pritong isda. At ginamos guys. So ayun, kain tayo guys kung baga. Ayan. So guys, so ayun. Ayan guys, kain tayo kasi.
Sarap ng mangga.
We both know you're here to get my money so you can split it with
Sarap,
Jack
ha?
Solo. The sense that you think so
Sarap
little
daw
of
ang
me.
mangga guys, pero hindi ko na alam ang totoo sinasabi niya.
I'm saying I
Kain
don't
tayo
give a
guys.
shit about your money or Jack Soloff. I
Ginamos
want a piece
guys.
of you. Get your hands off that. Harvey, relax. I didn't come here to put my gentle hands on your precious balls. I came here to take something far more
So
valuable.
adobo
Because
guys.
what I want is that duck painting.
Tapos itong
What? That right there. I was right.
itong
If that didn't mean something to you, you would have jumped right out of your chair and said, okay,
Sobrang
this is
sarap.
simple. Listen, not to mention, you've
Malaglag,
had that thing as
guys.
long as I've known you, and there's no way a guy like you has a painting like that unless it
Oh,
means
yeah.
every... And how
Right, ma'am?
money, Simple? Because you are not getting that paid. $10 million. Elliot,
Lapit.
15 million.
So
20
ayan
million.
guys.
Do you want to keep going or have you had enough?
Sobrang
Because in
sarap
10
kahit
seconds,
sa pagkain
I
ng
am
looking
walking out
bahay.
of here with $20 million or that thing in my hands, or tomorrow morning I'm putting your firm in the ground.
Ayan. Kain na guys. Busog na naman. Iwas mo ng bahaw.
ayan guys kasi konting ko na lang guys makakauwi na kami. Kaya kain-kain pag so ayan guys, o si James o guys kumakain siya. So ayan. Ayan yung pagkain namin guys.
Ginamos lang.
Ano?
Ginamos lang.
Ginamos lang daw guys, ginamos lang daw. So ayan.
I don't know what you think is
Kumakain na
gonna happen
kami
here,
guys
Frank,
ng ginamos.
but I'm not gonna let you trick me into leaving this room. I don't need to trick you. This room will do just fine. Oh yeah?
Yan.
Did you tell that to the two women sitting behind me? You
Ay,
the one who let me into your cell?
Ano? Harap mo sa'yo.
sa'yo. Ayan.
Bakit sa'yo? Ano?
Focus na kayo.
Wait, Frank.
Yung sarap ng kain na guys kasi
Ginamos.
ginamos daw.
So that's it.
Ginamos at mangga guys.
You said anything about
Yeah.
killing me?
Gabi na, kain mo muna.
Want a lie?
No?
What I meant was
Gabi.
you're really too much of a pussy to take me on by
Yung
yourself.
bawal.
You think they won't come at you just because you called me out?
Bawal yung
I think
bigla ka
I'm one of
magbulong.
the leaders. And if you're too afraid to take on a guy like me, you're not gonna be a leader for
Kung ito
much
is
longer.
daw wala na.
Okay, tough guy.
Mhm.
You want me one-on-one, you got it. One little thing.
Ano ba?
Use this. And
Ah.
I'll hold you.
Ito.
Nothing. You have the same story? Yeah. Yeah, nothing's going on here.
Why don't you three get away from him?
Tumok ba siya?
Go to your cells. And I don't want to see you back in here for the rest of the night.
Ginamos guys, tapos ulan. Ayun.
I just saw Stella walking out of here.
Kunting tiis na lang guys, malapit na kasi sa Maynila.
The same size as that empty space on your wall.
Kakauwi na kami.
So it's done.
It's done.
Punta na kami kay Diwata.
Ito daw sa Diwata guys.
I remember you told me that painting was the one happy memory you had.
Wala na?
Like I said,
Well,
Jessica,
no.
I was the one who got us into this mess. I'm the one who needed to get us out of it.
Nakuha na.
Ang gusto.
Well,
Nakuha na yung ginamos.
thank God. So, you want to go get Marty? Have a drink and celebrate?
Harvey needs to be a little bit happiness.
Other than me.
I would. But there's something I need to take care of.
I understand.
Louis, you had the right idea. The
Tama.
wrong execution.
No?
Tama.
I mean,
Ginamos from Banate.
Tama lang asim niya. Ay, ang lasa niya.
Bilang.
Can I ask you something?
No choice.
Sure. Why'd you come back with the guard? Now Gallo knows it was you. They would have found out it was me anyway.
Ano yun?
I didn't do it to get you.
Kaya.
I did it because I never should have let him in here in the first place. I just realized I don't even know your name.
Ito na ba yan?
Okay.
Kevin. Kevin Miller. Lake Ross. Thank you, Kevin.
Kaunta guys. Ayan guys, oh. Dito mag-serve si James guys. Ganyan. Napaka-logic.
Robin,
Punong-puno ang lamisan.
talk to you for a second.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Party ata
I
to
just found
party.
out I'm not going to be able to buy in as a partner.
What?
And I was wondering,
I don't need a 50-year-old associate, Jack.
I know that.
Kami sandok.
If you could just let me pay it off out of my salary.
You know as well as I do, if I let you do that, I might as well waive the buy-in for everyone.
Please, Robert.
Why can't you get a loan for
Kaya
it?
init-init pa guys, oh.
It's going to be a little complicated
So,
because I'm actually loaning you this money, and you're going to loan it to him. And if nobody ever repays anybody, nobody's going to give a shit.
usok-usok pa guys.
Why are you doing
Dahil yung
this,
tita.
Jessica?
Because I'm the one that got you into this mess. I should be the one to get you out.
Thank you.
Ikaw ba mo yung
The
Owen?
truth is, Jack, the older I get, the more I'd rather have friends out than enemies.
Bulad guys. Bulad, ginamos, isda at kwan.
Up next, NCIS.
Magkain tayo. Ito mga ginamos ko. Ginamos, bulad, tapos ayan bulad guys, tapos may pritong isda. Yaman namin guys, no?
Ulam.
Yaman.
Dalawa lang naman. Kung kakain.
If you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.
No words are good enough.
Quest. I'm trying to tell you how things work. I didn't do anything, all right? He's the dangerous one. Contracts are made to be broken.
You might be surprised to hear this, but there's actually parts of this investigation you don't know about. What if we could change their fate? Right time, right place.
'Cause
yun guys, masarap na kainan guys. Para kami Ito. Bulta. Ayan guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. So, tapos na guys. Kain tayo ulit guys.